Let's take hair from wet to dry with the Dyson Airstrait. So we're gonna turn it on. It starts out with a cleaning mode. Cleaning is done, and then I'm gonna change the mode to wet hair and begin. Now, sometimes you wanna start with the roots.
When you hold the Dyson Airstrait closed, air comes out like a blow dryer.
It's set at 285 degrees.
Next, I section my hair and pull my hair through while clamping down. This is about 15 minutes of drying my hair using this method, but I sped up the video so you don't have to sit and watch all 15 minutes. But you can see how fast it is to dry your hair with this and how well it works.
Okay, so that was 15 minutes. This straightened more than any other blow dryer. So it is exactly its name, an Airstrait, right? So it's using air to straighten your hair. Now, I still probably need to use a flat iron to get it all the waves out because my waves start at the crown. But as far as a blowout goes, I've never seen anything make my hair straighter and sleeker without frizz. So that is really, really incredible, and it's easy to use. I probably could do another 5 minutes in there to really lock in that straightness, but if you're quick on time, 15 minutes from wet hair to out the door, that's pretty incredible.